In a world that often celebrates perfectionism and relentless self-improvement, it's easy to overlook the value of self-compassion. Self-compassion, the practice of being kind and understanding toward oneself in times of difficulty, failure, or inadequacy, is essential for mental and emotional well-being. Unlike self-criticism, which can lead to stress, anxiety, and burnout, self-compassion fosters resilience, inner peace, and personal growth. This video explores the importance of self-compassion, its benefits, and practical ways to cultivate this powerful practice. Understanding self-compassion. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a close friend. It means recognizing that everyone makes mistakes, experiences setbacks, and faces challenges, and that these experiences do not define your worth. Instead of harshly judging yourself for your perceived failures, self-compassion encourages you to acknowledge your humanity and respond to yourself with care and empathy. Psychologist Kristin Neff, a leading researcher on self-compassion, identifies three core components of the practice: self-kindness, common humanity, and mindfulness. Self-kindness involves being warm and understanding toward yourself, rather than critical. Common humanity is the recognition that suffering and imperfection are part of the shared human experience, helping you feel less isolated in your struggles. Mindfulness involves being present with your emotions without getting overwhelmed by them, allowing you to observe your thoughts and feelings with clarity and balance. The benefits of self-compassion. The practice of self-compassion offers numerous benefits for mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. Here are some of the key advantages. First, reduce stress and anxiety. Self-compassion reduces the stress and anxiety that often accompany self-criticism and perfectionism. By treating yourself with kindness, you create a supportive inner environment that helps you manage difficult emotions more effectively. Second, greater resilience. Self-compassion fosters resilience by helping you bounce back from setbacks and challenges. When you respond to failure with understanding rather than harsh judgment, you are more likely to learn from the experience and move forward with renewed strength. Third, improved mental health. Research shows that self-compassion is associated with lower levels of depression, anxiety, and stress. It promotes emotional well-being by reducing negative thought patterns and increasing positive emotions such as gratitude, contentment, and joy. Fourth, healthier relationships. Practicing self-compassion can improve your relationships with others. When you are kind to yourself, you are less likely to project your insecurities onto others and more likely to approach relationships with empathy, patience, and understanding. And finally, enhanced personal growth. Self-compassion supports personal growth by encouraging a growth mindset. Instead of fearing failure or avoiding challenges, self-compassionate individuals are more willing to take risks, learn from mistakes, and pursue their goals with confidence. Practical ways to cultivate self-compassion. Cultivating self-compassion is a practice that requires intention and consistency. Here are some practical strategies to help you develop this valuable skill. 1. Practice self-kindness. When you experience a setback or make a mistake, pause and ask yourself how you would respond if a friend were in the same situation. Then, offer yourself the same kindness and understanding. Replace harsh self-talk with supportive and encouraging words. 2. Acknowledge common humanity. Remind yourself that everyone faces challenges, makes mistakes, and experiences difficulties. You are not alone in your struggles. By recognizing that suffering is a part of the shared human experience, you can feel more connected to others and less isolated in your pain. 3. Be mindful of your emotions. Mindfulness involves observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. When difficult emotions arise, acknowledge them without trying to suppress or avoid them. Allow yourself to feel what you're feeling, but avoid getting caught up in negative thought spirals. Mindfulness helps you respond to your emotions with clarity and balance. 4. Write a self-compassion letter. If you're struggling with self-criticism, try writing a letter to yourself from the perspective of a compassionate friend. In the letter, acknowledge your struggles, validate your feelings, and offer words of kindness and encouragement. This exercise can help shift your perspective and foster a more compassionate attitude toward yourself. 5. Practice forgiveness. Forgiving yourself for past mistakes is a crucial aspect of self-compassion. Holding on to guilt or regret only prolongs suffering. Instead, recognize that everyone makes mistakes and that you have the capacity to learn and grow from them. Let go of self-blame and focus on moving forward. 6. Establish a self-compassion ritual. Create a daily or weekly ritual that reinforces self-compassion. This could be a morning affirmation, a meditation session, or simply taking a few moments each day to check in with yourself and offer words of kindness. Regular practice helps embed self-compassion into your daily life. 7. Set healthy boundaries. Part of self-compassion is recognizing your own needs and limits. Setting healthy boundaries protects your well-being and prevents burnout. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Self-compassion is a transformative practice that can lead to greater inner peace, resilience, and personal growth. By treating yourself with kindness and understanding, you create a supportive inner environment that helps you navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. Incorporating self-compassion into your daily life is not about becoming complacent or avoiding responsibility. Instead, it's about recognizing your worth, embracing your humanity, and responding to yourself with the care and empathy you deserve. By cultivating self-compassion, you can build a strong foundation for a more fulfilling and balanced life, empowering yourself to grow, learn, and thrive. Whether you're new to the concept of self-compassion or looking to deepen your practice, these strategies can help you foster a more compassionate relationship with yourself, leading to lasting well-being and happiness.